Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to use item mirroring correctly in Monday.com to display data from one board on another and keep everything synced, this guide will walk you step by step. Step 1. Add a Connect Boards column. Start by opening the board where you want to display mirrored data. Click plus Add Column, then Connect Boards, and select the board containing the data you want to mirror. Step 2. Link the items. In the Connect Boards column, choose the items you want to link. This creates a connection between the boards. Step 3. Add a mirror column. Click plus Add Column, then Mirror. Select the connected board and the specific column you want to display, such as status, date, people, or numbers. Step 4. Choose the correct column type. Make sure the mirrored column matches the type of the original column. For example, don't mirror a numbers column into a status column. It won't work correctly. Step 5. Use filters and views wisely. Mirrored data inherits the source board's updates but can be filtered or grouped independently in the new board. Use filters to focus on relevant items. Step 6. Test updates. Change a value in the source board and verify it updates automatically in the mirrored column. This ensures your sync is working correctly. Step 7. Monitor permissions. Users need access to both boards to see mirrored data. Without permission, mirrored information may appear blank or inaccessible. Step 8. Optimize for performance. Avoid mirroring too many columns or linking too many items at once. Large-scale mirroring can slow down boards, so only mirror what's necessary. Item mirroring in Monday.com lets you sync data across boards, keep information consistent, and reduce manual updates, making your workflows much smarter. Follow these steps and you'll use item mirroring efficiently and accurately. See you in the next guide.